For Rabbi of today, term الثاني unit 11 lesson 4 and 5 writing. Yusuf reports, last week I heard Dr. Helen Walker talking about air pollution. I like her ideas and I did some research. I talked to my family about what we can do. We can have energy saving light bulb in our apartment. We can use buses and train more. We can share a car with a friend sometimes. We can walk and not always go by car. We can have many plants on our balcony. We decided to change something as a family. Dad now goes to work with his friend in the same car. Mom take the bus to work. She doesn't drive. I now go to school by bike. My sister Nora walk to her school. We have more plants in the living room and on the balcony. When our light bulb stop working, we can put in an energy saving light bulb. I am excited.